Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. We've talked about this a lot already. New YouTube monetization requirements. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before you can apply for the partner program. Then YouTube reviews your channel to make sure it adheres to its policies, terms of service and community guidelines. When these new rules came into effect, it created a huge backlog, which YouTube said back in February that they should get through by the end of April. Well, it's the end of April, and the goalposts have changed. In a support page posted on April the 19th, YouTube now say that they hope to get the backlog resolved by the end of June. Yep, you probably didn't want to hear that, and I'm afraid the news gets even worse. YouTube state that they are reviewing channels with the most views first, even though views are no longer a requirement of monetization. And they continue to say that search and discovery is not impacted by monetization. I'm sure you'll all have many thoughts on this topic, which probably look a little bit like this.